Hello, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions. We have a special episode here today. We're going to continue our conversation about cybersecurity, as well as provide details to our upcoming webinar on protecting your business from cyber threats. The debate between easy access for your IT environment versus the safety of locking down your entire IT environment is a conversation many small to medium-sized businesses are participating in at this moment. For IT professionals, it's a balancing act between protecting data from outside parties versus the accessibility of an organization's data for those employees. You don't want to make it difficult for your employees to perform their job function, but at the same time, you don't want to open yourself up to outside threats. There are technologies you can implement to protect your business, but the most effective thing you can do is provide best practices for your employees. You should consider exploring requirements laid out in the SOC 2 compliance documents for best practices to implement. Dissecting cyber attacks is another interesting topic. Our government, as well as other private sector analysts, study the anatomy of attacks to learn more about current and future threats. More importantly, though, their goal is to make recommendations that will prevent future breaches. However, it's extremely likely that you'll be exposed to cyber attacks at some point. To protect your business, you need to be prepared and have a plan to respond to that eventuality. So the special announcement this week is that DRP Solutions, along with our partner vendor SKOUT, will be hosting a cybersecurity webinar this Thursday, May 13th at 2 p.m. Please come join us to learn more about protecting your business from cybersecurity threats, and we'll dive deep into the anatomy of an attack. You'll also have the opportunity to ask questions. Click the accompanying link to register for the event, add it to your calendar, and we'll see you guys live on Thursday.